Stop taking photos like this. I guarantee you're making 3 of the biggest mistakes right now that are ruining your Christmas photos. Today, I'm debunking the biggest photography myths. And if you fix just number 3, your photos will look really cinematic. Myth number 1, flash always ruins your Christmas photos. That's not true. The problem isn't flash, it's how people use it. When flash fires straight at your family, it wipes out the room and kills the Christmas lights and makes everything look flat. Now, here's the key. You might not be able to turn your flash down. That's fine. Step back slightly so the flash isn't blasting their faces. And keep your subjects close to the Christmas lights so they still glow. The flash can bounce off the ceiling or the walls even better. Flash kills shadows rather than killing the mood. Now, people always say, but if I don't use flash, my photos will be dark. And that brings us to myth number 3. High ISO is bad. People are terrified of grain, so they keep the ISO low and the shutter speed slow. The result? A blurry mess. It's the truth. You can fix grain, but you can't fix blur. I'd rather have a sharp, grainy image with a real smile than a blurry ghost. And embrace the grain. It adds texture. I hear this every Christmas. I can't take good photos because I don't have expensive gear. That's a lie. I can beat expensive gear by using one free trick. Distance. Most people stand their family right across the tree. That's boring. Everything is in focus. Instead, move them 6 feet apart from the tree. Then get your camera close to their faces. Smile. Now the tree lights turn into big blurry balls of light. It looks expensive, but it costs nothing. Distance beats dollars every time. And one final secret. White balance. Christmas lights, they confuse the camera. If everyone looks orange, change your white balance to tungsten or incandescent. It fixes skin tones instantly. If you want more tips and tricks on how to improve your photography, then click this video right here.